Hi guys, to make a bow using fondant, things you'll need are a rolling pin, a knife, a pizza cutter, some corn flour, some fondant of your choice of color and plastic or tissue. Now to begin, we're going to first soften the fondant by kneading it between our hands. The heat in our hands will soften it and make it easier to roll. So do this for a couple of seconds or a few minutes till you think you can roll it out. Flatten it out and roll it into a long strip because we need 4 ribbons or 4 strips of fondant. Start from the center, push up and then push down as well. Keep doing this till you have a thickness of approximately a millimeter. So nearly there. As you can see, this is approximately a little more than a millimeter, so I'm just roll it a little bit more, and now I'm pretty happy with this. Now I'm going to get my first long strip. So it should be approximately 4 centimeters wide and about 15 to 16 centimeters long. You can use a ruler for this. I am just eyeballing it with the mat behind. Okay, so that's my one strip. As you can see, it's a little bit curved on one side, so I'm just trim it off and make it a little straighter. Now we're going to make the thinner strips, so it's maybe like 2 centimeters in width and around 6 centimeters in length. We need 3 such strips. I'm using one of the strips to measure out the third strip now. Keep all your excess aside, put it together and wrap it in some cling wrap so it doesn't dry out. And now we make the ribbon, the bow, sorry. So fold it in half, the big strip, and pinch it on the corner so you can find the half when you open it up again. So there, it's going to be like this. Now take your plastic or tissue, roll it up into a cigar and place it in the middle of the first half, like so. Similarly, do it on the other side as well. You can use a bit of water to stick the halves to the back. I've just pinched it with my finger. Now, fold them together and connect into a half and pinch it with your fingers nicely. Use one of the strips and wrap it around to cover that seam. Flip it gently and hide the seam at the back. Again, you can use water to close the seam. Now that this is done, our bow is nearly done. Take the last 2 strips, using a knife, cut out a triangle at the bottom of both of them. Okay. And now connect these two together, lay that on top the bow, and here you go. Leave this to dry with the plastic for at least 24 hours or more so that it dries out hard. That way it won't lose its shape. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching.